Hello loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Kit Club Design Team Layout. I have all of the kits from April here. We're going to be doing these two pictures of my son opening up his pre-Christmas presents. It's usually pajamas, you guys. He's 22. It is still the thing. I have got the mixed media kit here. I wanted... It's got this really fun you know the word? So I was thinking, figure out how to get this in here and do like a with the decoupage, the background there. Oh, there's nothing in it anymore. Come in with the Glamour Gel and the Lindy's Magical Powder, and maybe do some accents with the black gesso. And really, I don't. So this is from the card kit, but take these frames. And just frame him out and put them on here. So that's my idea. Also, whenever you get these, you just wipe them down because of the laser cut. You know, it's wood, it's chipboard. It is cutting, so I just usually wipe them and get the soot off of it. And it comes right off. But just in case you were wondering what the black was on my hands. So yeah, I think we're going to do that. And possibly use these XOXOs. And these Primas. Now these are all three kits. So this is the mixed media kit, the scrapbook kit, the card kit. And I've just kind of mixed them all together as one big fancy fun. So let's go ahead and put this over there because I usually just keep them tucked all together, you guys. This will be the last layout, so you will see these re-enter my life at another time, just to play with some of these, to use them up. And I still have all kinds of goodies that Kim, who is the owner, lovely owner, sent to us in our first design team box. And honestly, if you guys have not picked these up yet, you have to. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on these kits. So, let me pop this little tag off. I just love how she thinks outside the box. Like, this is the mixed media kit, so you get this really fun canvas. And I am hoping that I don't mess everything up as I'm doing it. So I've just got some acrylic gloss there. I'm gonna go ahead and use that, but first I have to fussy cut. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Well, I'm actually going to keep only one packaging, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut all the gears and stuff out, and then just kind of lay it down and overlay everything from here. So let me go ahead and start doing that with the fussy cuts, and I will be right back. So I've got those all popped down, and I just, stuck it on and then painted a little bit more of that gloss coating over there. I've taken 3 of the flowers and popped them down. I've popped this one up on foam and glued to this one, which is glued straight down. So I've took the XO and painted them with the Lindy's Magical Powder in Bayou Boogie. And then I filled the O's with the Darkwood Glamour Gel. So that is like really thick in there, but I thought it was kind of cool. So what else I want to do is just come in with the black gesso, and I would like to just make little dots. So we're going to see if I can do that. So we're just going to just make, almost treating it like Nuvo, right? We're just gonna pop it around so that it's looking cute. And that is really gonna do it, you guys. I love this. So now I have a very cute little wall hanging that can go up all over the place. So don't forget to head on over, check out Choice Jolie, pick up a kit. April's kits are coming out and they are fabulous. So I'm going to put all this stuff away. I'm going to keep my kit together, but the mixed media will go in my mixed media. And I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll check you later with another video. Bye.